Okay, so I just got this Mannesmann tool kit case from Amazon, and it's pretty new on Amazon actually. It's been around for a week or two, at least in Spain. So I thought I would make this review to help people decide in case they're looking for a toolkit like this, like a basic toolkit for car basic, maintenance and repairs. So let's get started. It comes in a nice cardboard box, and the first thing you notice is that, well, it's pretty heavy actually, and the second thing you can see is that it's not great quality. I mean, it's brand new. I got it like an hour ago, and you can already see that that it comes with scratches. You see the paint is scratched and like I don't know. It seems like it got hit too in several places. So this plastic on the corners doesn't look great. It seems low quality. The hinges on the bottom don't look great either. They don't seem robust at all. So I don't know, but overall, I mean, seems okay. I don't know. Time will tell. We'll see how long it lasts. So let's open it up. So the reason why I got this particular case is that it comes with this. Oops. Okay. It comes with this sponge form for the tools inside the case, which seems pretty good. I mean, most cases in this price range, come with just like a foreign plastic thing to hold the tools in place, and I thought this would be better. I'm not quite sure right now actually, because I realized that it might actually deform in time, and the tools might fall off every time I open the case. I don't know, we'll see. Actually, you can already see that in some places the sponge is already deformed, like here, or I don't know, or here. Oh, you see. So it's not great, but I mean, it works for now, so I guess it's good enough. It comes with a 10-year warranty. It's in German. Okay, English too, fortunately, which I guess is good. It also comes with a pair of keys, which I'll never use. I don't see the point. And yeah, so these are the tools. This is the kit. Okay, so first of all, the standard wrenches. Okay, it says Mannesmann chrome vanadium. So yeah, it's just a regular wrench, nothing special. It feels solid, feels robust. So yeah, that's it. What I do not like is that this one particularly is pretty loose in the sponge form. Yeah, it's not like held very tightly. This one, for example, yeah, this is better. This won't fall off accidentally. This one might actually. This is not very well held. But anyway, okay. Then there are the hex keys, the Allen keys, which are okay. What is not so great is that this format is not very handy. Every time you want to use one, you have to pull it out, from this you know, rubber band, then put it back, and watch out watch out not to lose the other ones. And then it doesn't fit great in the sponge either, so yeah, it's not great, but I don't know, I guess if you really need one you can still use it. The same for the Torx keys. Then it comes with the spark plug sockets. Yeah, they seem okay. The problem is they do come with a rubber washer inside, but they do not actually hold an actual spark plug, which they should. You know, if you are not careful, the spark plug might fall. So you have to be very careful when using these sockets. And it comes with the 3 standard sizes: 16mm, 18mm, and 21mm. Okay, and then the ratchet wrench, or whatever you call it in English. Let's move this way. Okay, so it comes with a 1/4 inch wrench and a 1/2 inch wrench. Then for each one of them there are 2 extension bars, one short, one long, one short, one long. And yeah, I'm not a tool expert, I'm just an amateur, but this feels pretty good. It feels solid. I don't know, it seems okay. Mannesmann, chrome vanadium, no, not here. So yeah, that's it. Again, the sponge form is not great in this case. You actually cannot pull this all the way in, so that is something I do not really like. Yeah, it's not very tight, but anyway, that's what it is. Then there's the small one. This is actually tiny compared with the other one. Yeah, it's okay. Then the screwdriver, just a regular screwdriver. Yeah, nothing special. It feels pretty standard, you know. Yeah, doesn't feel great, but I guess it'll get the job done. And then we have also the articulated universal joints. This is the 1/4 inch one and the 1/2 inch one. Yeah, it seems okay. And then all the screwdriver bits, there's quite a lot of them actually. There's like 3, 6, 9, 12, so it's 12 times 3 times 4, which makes a grand total of 144 screwdriver bits, which is good. This is pretty good amount. Have a good variety of bits. Most of them I haven't seen in my entire life. I've seen screws like these ones. So yeah, starts with the standard Phillips one, the flat ones, and then yeah, there's a lot of them. So I guess that's good. And as for the sockets, we have the regular hex sockets. I'm sorry, yes. So it starts at 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is still for the 1/4 inch wrench. And from 15 on, you have to use the 1/2 inch wrench. So yeah, and then you have from 15 through, okay, 18 is missing, as in most cases, most toolkits in this price range. So 18 is missing, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 is missing, 24, 27, 30, 32. Okay, this one is actually pretty big. Wow, look at this. Okay, and you also have the, I actually don't know the name of these ones. It's like the Torx version of sockets. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is some kind of adapter or something. Okay, I know what that is. That's to make the extension bar. Oops, I'm sorry. A T-bar. I guess you can slide this through, and well, I guess, I'm not sure actually, but yeah, looks like it. So you can have a T-bar, you know, so you can use both hands and get more torque. Okay, so that's pretty good actually. Yeah. What about this? Okay, and this might be, yeah, this is the adapter. That's the adapter you can use to, you know, to use the small sockets with the big wrench. So it goes in here. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, and now you can use the small sockets from 4 through 14. Okay, what about these? Okay, so more sockets, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Overall, the toolkit is not too bad for the price. It's pretty much what I expected. You know, I paid 120 euros. I don't think I overpaid too much. And, you know, it's not great, it's not professional, but it's good enough for someone like me for occasional, you know, simple car tasks. And yeah, so I'm happy for the moment. Time will tell how long it it lasts, but we'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and yeah, thank you.